Hello, health enthusiasts! Imagine a world where nature provides a solution to some of our most pressing health concerns. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a little-known treasure from the Amazon rainforest, Sangre de Grado. Also known as dragon's blood, this powerful red sap has been used for centuries by indigenous tribes. Let's dive straight into the incredible health benefits of Sangre de Grado. First up, its remarkable healing properties. Sangre de Grado is renowned for its ability to speed up the healing of wounds. Its natural compounds help to form a protective seal over the wound, preventing infection and promoting rapid skin regeneration. Whether it's a minor cut, a burn, or even a pesky insect bite, a few drops of this wonder sap can work magic. But that's not all. This amazing resin is also a potent anti-inflammatory. For those of you battling chronic inflammation, Sangre de Grado can be a game-changer. It's packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, thereby alleviating symptoms of conditions like arthritis and irritable bowel syndrome. Imagine experiencing less pain and more freedom in your daily activities. One of the most fascinating aspects of Sangre de Grado is its gut health benefits. Studies suggest it can help repair the lining of the gut, making it a fantastic natural remedy for leaky gut syndrome. By nurturing your digestive system, you can enhance nutrient absorption, boost your immune system, and improve overall well-being. Now, let's talk about its antiviral and antibacterial properties. In an age where we are constantly fighting invisible enemies, Sangre de Grado can provide extra defense. It helps combat pathogens and supports your body's natural defenses, a true ally in maintaining good health. And did I mention it's also a powerful antioxidant? This means it can help fight off free radicals and oxidative stress, which are major culprits in aging and chronic diseases. By incorporating Sangre de Grado into your routine, you're not just healing from the outside, but also protecting your body from the inside. So how can you use Sangre de Grado? It's versatile. You can apply it topically on wounds or irritated skin, or you can take it internally, usually in a diluted form. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Unlock the power of Sangre de Grado and embrace a natural way to enhance your health. It's time to let this ancient remedy bring new vitality to your life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and natural remedies. Stay healthy and see you next time.